Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and opening the Play Store. First, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Large updates can fail on weak cellular. Once done, verify at least 100 MB of free storage and clear app cache in settings if space is tight. Next, open Play Store and confirm you are signed into the correct Google account so updates apply to the right apps. These steps reduce interruptions and explain why updates install smoothly. You now locate the apps to update and control the process. Tap your profile icon, choose Manage Apps and Device, then view updates available. This list shows what needs attention. Tap Update for individual apps or Update all when you trust the connection. If an app is large or critical, update it first to minimize downtime. Make sure to review auto update settings per app so future patches install automatically. This saves time and keeps security current without manual intervention. You finish by confirming updates and handling common errors. After updates complete, check My Apps for version numbers and restart the device if an app had a major update. This ensures background services reload. If an update fails, first clear Play Store cache and data, force stop the Play Store, then retry. This often fixes download or install glitches. If issues persist, remove and re-add your Google account or uninstall and reinstall the app. Doing so resets permissions and clears corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.